Just gonna walk through the casino real quick, get you a little taste of what they have in here, because I'm probably not supposed to be filming in here, so I'm gonna just walk through real quick. Lots of virtual games, a few tables. This does start picking up later towards the end of the night as well. Some, they don't have really the virtual blackjack tables though, so they are lacking some of those. But over here on this side there's some roulette tables. And that is pretty much the entirety of the casino. It's quite a bit wider, but that is the length of it that I just walked just now. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.